Right, welcome back everyone. So I look a bit sweaty, just came back from the gym, need to get my life sorted. And again, I didn't post for about 2 weeks because I had to go back home. Unfortunately, my grandma passed away. That's the reason I look a little bit untidy, because in our culture you don't shave or get a haircut for about 6 weeks. That all depends how close you were to the person. But yeah, back in business now. The DS3 is ready. It's been detailed, machine polished, got the roof done. As you can see, it looks really nice. If you remember from the previous video how it had that lacquer peel. I put some wax on, makes the car look 10 times better. Yeah, it's a lovely car. I'm gonna go through in a bit the things that needed to be done at the garage. As you can see, the interior is done. I didn't do the hoovering because I was too lazy. I just need to get the seats done. I've done the dashboard. It's all dressed and clean. I've used the car for a bit while the other one was at the body shop. So I've used this car to go to the airport and back, and I've been to uni once, so it drives all right. Only thing I don't like about it is that, you know, that sound you get on every 1.6 mini engine, which annoys the hell out of me. But overall, it's a really good car. Really happy with it. The back looks nice as well. Now bear in mind that the car hasn't been washed in about, I would say 5 days, 4 or 5 days, and look how clean it is. Now I had a few inquiries already, but nothing serious, just some time wasters or people who don't have enough money for the car. Right, here's the invoice from the garage. It needed a service done. The car has full service history, which is a plus. It needed both front drop links and track road. And look at the price they're charging me. That is brilliant. Thank you again, Refine Tuning, for all this. You make my life much easier. And that's the car I bought. That'll be in the body shop. We're gonna go through that in a bit. But yeah, overall the car is really good. I'm happy with it. I think the color combo is really nice. Yeah, it's a niche color, but hopefully it's gonna attract the right customer. Now let's move on to the other one. This is the Nissan Qashqai I bought it about 2 weeks ago. It needed some painting done. It's been through the garage. It needed a service. Unfortunately, the car doesn't have a service history. And one tire, I'm just waiting for the tire to be delivered and I'll get that tire sorted. It's got a nail in it. But yeah, it's a really good car. I've already done about 500 miles in this car. Been to uni and back a couple of times in central London. And it drives spot on. I really like the car. If it was automatic, I would have kept it for myself. It's got lots of tech inside, lots of features, which is really good. But when I bought the car, I didn't see the damage it had on the door. I'm gonna add a photo here of the damage, and it's been repainted. Now the problem is there is a poor color match. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. So this one is much darker. So basically the car had a dent here and it's been sprayed, repainted, and it just doesn't look right. Now I went back to the garage, to the body shop, and they sent me to a company that sells paint. So they scanned this door again to get the paint code and all that, and today I'm going to take it back and get that redone, so hopefully it will look better. It's a £7,500 car, so I can't sell it like this. If it was like a £2,000, £3,000 car, I wouldn't bother too much, but it's 7.5, and needs to be spot on. But mechanically it's really good, don't have any problems with that. It's got an advisory free MOT, so I don't need to do the MOT either. Interior, I left the seats undone, like I said, because I'm using the car. Don't want to get them dirty again. I've done the dashboard, it's all dressed nicely. I've got new mats which are inside. I'm just gonna put them on when I get a customer. But yeah, it's a pretty nice car. It wasn't the cleanest one inside, but it's okay. As you can see, they had kids, that's why there are food stains everywhere. They were on the door as well, but got that cleaned. Look at that shine, nice. The tires are pretty good. It's just that one that's got a nail in. It's a shame, they look pretty new. And yeah, let's go through the report on this car. And that is the report. It's a 64 plate, which has done 117,000 miles. Well, it's 118,000 now. This is the equipment it has. It's really good, I'm happy with that. Tire tread, pretty good, but it's just that one that needs to be sorted. Got the MOT. It failed in January. It needed new brake pads, so it's got brake pads. I just don't know why it doesn't have any service history, so I'll call Nissan and see if they got something on their system. Hopefully they do, but there's no service book or anything like it. The car retails for 7.5, and I paid for it £4,500, which is a £3,000 margin. So I don't know why people were not interested in this car. I just honestly don't know. Can't remember how many owners it has. I think this is the one that has one previous owner. Can't remember. Got it all written inside. Right, this is the damage assessment, showing all the issues. It's just that door, if you can see it here. I didn't notice it when I looked at the photos because I looked really quickly. I was a bit late for the auction, so I was trying to get ahead a little bit, and I missed that photo somehow. As you can see, it's got clean show check silver, no issues at all, which is good. And that also shows that the car just flew through the workshop, only need a service. Oh, and by the way, to get the door sorted, it costed me £150. So £150 for that, plus £140 for the service and the tire. I'm not sure how much the tire is going to cost me. I would say maybe 50-60 quid, I don't know. And that's it pretty much. So hopefully I'll make about £2,000, bit over £2,000 profit in this car. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sorry, I'm a bit sweaty. It's boiling hot here. It's about 31 right now, and it's not even sunny. I'm melting, so hopefully there'll be more content coming up in the next couple of days. I bought another 3 cars that should be delivered today or tomorrow from Mannheim. There are 2 good buys, and one of them is just, I don't know, but I got it for nothing. And even if I get to keep that car for the summer, I wouldn't mind. Just hopefully it's not going to cost me too much. It doesn't have a bronze check or a silver check, which says a lot about the car. Also, this is the first video I've done in 5K, so now you get to see my ugly face in Ultra HD. I just hope that YouTube won't force me to put it up for 4K. But yeah, thanks again for watching. please subscribe to the channel. That will really help me. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and don't forget to like the video. Oh, and for the person who is disliking my videos as soon as I upload them without even watching them, thank you so much, and here is something for you. So stay tuned for the next video, which is probably going to be about that car if it gets delivered today. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.